Hello, I am Dji Action and today I will be putting up a camouflage net here and then look for birds coming in on these beautiful rocks over here. And I'm just gonna lay down and wait for as long as I can to just see if anything comes by. There might be ospreys, there might be buzzards, there might be white-tailed eagles. We're just gonna wait and see. We're gonna be using this little fallen over tree here to kind of just get this over to create some height on this side. And then I don't think I need to worry. Oh, would you look at that already? What have they seen that I have not seen? The seagulls are very, very active. For some reason now. Now I'm laying here. Everything is nice. The birds got kind of quiet now. But I think that's fine. I'm just gonna spend some time here and see if they don't show up. Everything is set up, everything is ready. This is gonna be really nice when the bird starts coming in. So we're using like this little rock, no, this little branch as a tripod. And the sun is starting to come out. There are eiders over at the other side. No birds in my vicinity. I can already feel like these waves are coming in to get me. And I can hear the water. No, I can hear the wind from behind as well. This is a test to see if the tripod is stable enough though. So now we're just waiting for birds to show up. Haven't been that much activity yet. And I feel like a French model from the Titanic reference. Oh, there's some grey-leg goose over there. But now with this position, I'm still kind of at eye level with some of the birds. But I'm not sacrificing the lifespan of my neck by laying like this. those are babies. I'm shooting in, what's it called? I'm shooting in manual mode with auto ISO because I don't need to be changing ISO all the times. It's mainly shutter speed that's going to be changed. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so amazing. Wow, I can't believe I got that shot. Oh my God. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I really want the I want the sun to disappear. As you can see, the wind is still very much active here now, but I have relocated to another new place now where maybe there will be some birds. Now I'm gonna turn off the video because I need to go make food, and if you want to see more wildlife photography, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.